Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a huge Forever 21 Black Friday haul. Forever 21 is doing the biggest sale of the year, and you guys need to go run to forever21.com. I'll be linking everything that I got down below so you guys can get all the things that I picked up. All these pieces are so comfy, so cute. I'm wearing one of the pieces right now. You guys are literally gonna jaw drop. And if you guys don't want to shop online, make sure that you guys are running into your New Year's Forever 21 because this is the biggest sale of the year. When I mean it's gonna be the greatest Black Friday sale, they're having up to 70% off in store and online, so you guys need to go and grab yourself these cute pieces. But let me stop rambling on. I'm going to show you guys the first piece that really just it was like the first thing that I saw on the site and my jaw dropped. Like I had to get it. I was like, add to cart. Also, thank you Forever21 for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I love you. This is an essential red dress. It's satin. This is such an elegant red satin dress. This is a small. It does have a little bit of flowiness to it, but it also still accentuates your curves. You guys can see it has like a slight cowl neck. You guys can adjust it to be lower or higher, but for us short girls this fits is just as great as for a tall girl. And this is what it looks like on the side, and this is the back. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I don't know what else to say, guys. You have to go pick this up immediately. With each fit, I'm gonna give you guys like a little scenario of like where I would wear it. This screams to me a date night. I sometimes like to just like get ready for myself at night, have like a little glass of wine, pick myself up some roses. I love this one. I think this is gonna be one of your guys' favorites out of a lot of the cute things that I got. But now let me show you guys like my second favorite, and I wanted to pair it with like something comfy, but like it works. I told you guys this would be one of your favorites. It's like a high neck tank top type of vibe, but it has a freaking party on the front, but it has this like glamour and glitz to it. It literally looks like a corset slash bustier. You guys can kind of see like now that it's focusing in a little bit the sparkle and the diamonds, and keep in mind there's no flash or anything. This is just from like the sunlight hitting it. But now backing up, I told you guys that I was going to mix it with like a comfy vibe. So usually when I want to look a little bit more comfy, I'll just like push this up, do like this type of vibe, like, oh, I'm just wearing sweats, trying but not trying. The effortless look is always a good way to go. So I paired with these gray sweats, and they are like cuffed at the bottom. They're not the looser ones. I have a very large collection of sweats. Like I have every single color almost, and I can't even lie to you guys, Forever21 is one of my favorite places to get the comfiest sweats. Super roomy pockets. Like there's a lot of room in this, which I really like, because my biggest pet peeve is having pants that don't have pockets, because then I have to wear a purse. But isn't this like a little cute combo together? But even if you wore this with like an essential little white skirt, which Forever21 does have, they have literally everything, both vibes work. I love how this top can be very versatile. You guys already know I love me some basics, so I picked up my favorite tank tops of all time. When I'm looking for a good like spaghetti strap tight tank top, I always go to Forever21 since I was little. I feel like this is like a universal thing, like everyone did it ever since they were little. If you know, you know, Forever21 has the best and inexpensive essentials. This is their black tank top, and this is their gray tank top. I have a little funny story. I'm gonna try them on for you guys so you guys can see the fit. They just really like stuck me in. I like how snatched they make me feel. I get smalls when I'm feeling a little bit more casual, but extra small is more of like what fits me like a little bit better. So this is the gray tank, and my little funny story about this is actually, so I have an aunt. She was a teenager when I was like a little girl, and I was just very impressionable. Like I was like 5 or something, and I really so badly wanted to be just like her, and she had this same exact tank top from Forever21. It looked so good on her. Like I just wanted to be her so bad, and I loved how it looked on her because she would wear it all the time, and it was just like so perfect. Basically, I was plotting for years like I want that tank top and I'm gonna take it. Guys, I have that tank top till this day. I stole it. I have told her nothing about it, and she hasn't questioned it, so I've had it, and I just got some updated ones for this Black Friday sale. That's how you guys know Forever21 is the OG, and the fact that she's had it for like that long, since I was like 5-ish. But together this is super cute, of course, like lounging around, running errands. For some reason this black one feels a little bit tighter, maybe just because it's simply the color black and things do run a little bit tighter sometimes. This feels so good. I really like how it fits, and it's such a cute fit with these sweats. Same thing for the black top. You can wear any color pants and it's gonna look good. You guys are going to love these corduroy pants. I just tucked them into my black tank top that I showed you guys just a second ago. You guys were to catch on that all these pieces that I picked for the most part are very, you know, interchangeable, essential. That's why it's very important to find like a good place with like quality products that are going to last you a very long time. A lot of things in my closet, I've had them for years, from forever. A lot of the things that I have are from high school and I'm still wearing them. Doesn't this little fit kind of remind you of like a little coffee date? Like, Forever 21 has an amazing like wide range of selection with like jeans, and like they've just gotten better and better over the years. Pants in general, like these are freaking perfect and they're so soft, very smooth, and they give you that body. This is a fire fit. Why did I kind of forget like how this was gonna fit? But it fits like a freaking glove. It's all like comfy and loose here, and it shows a little bit of tummy. I like to have my skirts like this because it just looks better on me, but you can have them a little bit on the longer side like this too. This is the back, the side. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Fun fact, guys, when I'm on set modeling, this is what I look like when I'm taking pictures. It starts off here, crossed like this, here, 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 pretend like I'm walking, and then I'll like open up this, here, 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 here. That's how it is. I should do a video of like how it is like on a normal day of set. Like all this lifting didn't show a thing. It's super comfy and like it's great for an everyday. Wait, the other modeling pose is now that we're here. Another one is like, or okay, I'm done. Okay, I said that I had some other top twos. I completely forgot that this was the bottom of the pile, but this is definitely the best one. This is their Hello Kitty collection. You guys can still pick it up. While we're here though, they also have baby fat collection, Hello Kitty collection. Like, what more can you ask for? So this is the top. I obviously probably wouldn't pair it with like this skirt, even though it still goes. Probably pair it with like a baby pink little mini skirt or like some low-rise jeans. But this is her. I love it. I love it so much. I might even wear this tonight. And we're now down onto the last two pieces for today's Forever 21 haul. So I'm first going to show you guys this cute little purse. It is all sparkled out, and you guys know that I love a good sparkle moment. This definitely shines a ton more in the sunlight. I wish you guys could see, but you guys can already see like the shine and the glimmer. Very cute. This would be super adorable with the Hello Kitty piece that I showed you guys. But lastly we have this pink hoodie, which is obviously another essential. It says Los Angeles. I like to put my hood up whenever like I want to feel like extra cozy. This is just so much more of a vibe. And the cute little back. The drawstrings just give it like a little bit of a flare. But that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to click on the links down below so you guys can get all the items that I showed you guys today for the Black Friday sale. Do not miss out. It's gonna be a great time. I know myself, I'm probably gonna be scrolling through on Black Friday myself. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.